In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chat history in Grok AI. If you've ever started a great conversation and needed to pick it up later, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to reopen it in seconds. First, head to the Grok AI website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main chat interface where you normally type your prompts. If you don't see the chat area, check that you're on the home or chat page and confirm your login was successful. Your chat history is tied to your account, so it's important you're using the same login you normally use. If you switch between devices or browsers, just remember that you'll need to be signed into the same account for your past conversations to appear. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on History. Depending on your screen size, you'll either see the word History or an icon that opens the same panel. On smaller displays or in a narrow browser window, the option may be tucked into a menu, so expand the menu if needed. A single click is all it takes to bring up your stored threads, and you can open and close this panel without losing your place in the current view. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of your past conversations. These are usually labeled by the main topic or by your very first prompt in that thread, which makes them easy to recognize at a glance. The most recent chats typically appear at the top with older ones below. You may also notice timestamps or short snippets that help you identify the right thread faster. Take a moment to scan the titles so you can quickly spot the conversation you want. If you keep a lot of active projects, scrolling through this panel is the quickest way to review what you've worked on recently. Finally, click any thread to open it. The full exchange will load, including your prompts and Grok's replies, so you can review details, copy useful answers, or continue right where you left off. Your message box will be ready at the bottom, so you can add a new prompt with all the prior context still in place. This is especially helpful for ongoing research drafts or multi-step tasks because everything stays organized in one place. That's all there is to it. Sign into Grok, click History in the top right, review the labeled conversations, and open the one you need. With these steps, you'll always be able to find and resume your chats without starting from scratch.